If you want to get into cybersecurity or penetration testing, you don't start by hacking real systems, you start by building your own lab. This lab is for educational purposes only. All activities must be performed in a controlled environment and never on real systems without proper authorization. A hacking lab is a virtual environment where you can simulate real-world cyber attacks and defense scenarios. Typically, it consists of an attacker machine, such as Kali Linux, one or more vulnerable machines, and an isolated network where everything can communicate safely. This setup allows you to learn hands-on, without any risk to real systems. Now I'm going to show you how to set up a complete hacking lab using VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and a vulnerable machine. First, open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Usually, the correct link is the first result. Open it, go to the download section, and select Windows hosts to start the download. Then download the extension pack 2. Next, search for Kali Linux and open the official website. Go to the download section, then click on the virtual machines. From there, download the VirtualBox version. Once everything is downloaded, we can install VirtualBox. Double-click the installer and follow the steps. Click Next, accept the terms, click Next again, confirm with Yes when prompted, and then click Install. Now we also need to install the VirtualBox extension pack. This is important because it adds extra features like USB support and improves overall performance. Just double-click the file, accept the license, and complete the installation. Alright, now let's set up Kali Linux. Extract the downloaded file, open VirtualBox and click on Open. Select the extracted file to import the virtual machine. Then go into the settings and increase the RAM based on your system, but don't exceed half of your total memory, because your host system may not have enough memory left and can slow down or become unstable. You can also assign more CPU cores if your system allows it. Once you're done, click OK. Now let's download our vulnerable machine. We're going to use VulnHub, a great platform with many intentionally vulnerable machines for practice. I'll use a Mr. Robot because it's beginner-friendly and fun to work with. On this page, you can find information about the machine. Then download it by clicking on the link and import it into VirtualBox by double-clicking the file and then clicking Finish. You can rename it if you want. I'll call mine Mr. Robot. You can leave the other settings as default. Next, we need to connect both machines to the same private network. Go into the settings, then the network, and select host-only adapter for both machines. This allows the machines to communicate with each other while staying isolated from your real network, making the lab safe. Now we're ready to start. Launch both virtual machines. Once Kali Linux is running, log in. The default username and password are both Kali. To check if everything is working, open a terminal and type IP address. This will show you all network interfaces and their IP addresses, including both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses, along with details like interface status up or down, MAC addresses, and assigned subnets. Then scan the network using map followed by your IP address. After a few seconds, you should see another host with open ports like HTTP or HTTPS, that's your target machine. And now it's your turn. Try to gain access to the vulnerable machine and see how far you can go. If you get stuck, don't worry, I will create a full step-by-step tutorial. And just like that, you've built your own professional hacking lab from scratch. From here, you can start practicing real penetration testing techniques in a safe and controlled environment. Now you don't just have a virtual machine, you have a real cybersecurity lab. In the next video, we'll break into the Mr. Robot machine step by step using real penetration testing techniques. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity content.